What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, hopefully, you guys didn't miss the excitement that we had for maybe the last couple of days. And I think we'll see more of this to come. This is more of just like a little glimpse of what we expect out of, GME and AMC. But when it comes to the reaction there and anything that has been tied to it in the crypto side, you have two positions, right? You have the AMC sold position, you have the GME sold position. Now, I was invested into GME, GameStop on Sol for a while now. I can't remember exactly how long, but definitely a while now. I saw the opportunity when somebody brought it to my attention. They said, "Hey, did you see this GME play that was made on Sol?" I went to go check the website and checked out all the information and the movement and what prices it got to and all of those, and I was like, this seems really legit, even though there's nothing else that has been, created related to that, which is honestly mind-boggling that there was no type of, larger GME or AMC position that was created in the crypto market as a meme play because of how popular those two were before a lot of people transitioned over to cryptocurrency because meme coins were really running the world when it comes to gains that you can have. But today, GME token moved a lot, right? The day before that, GME token moved a lot. And I wanted to talk about the movement that it has seen and how much I was able to profit. Now, again, when I talk about anything that I made from this, somebody made me aware yesterday that was like, yeah, I'm sure people really want to hear about you making, $7,000 or something like that. And this is by no way am I trying to rub it in. I don't want to rub in that I'm making money and you're not or anything like that. I want to talk about the things that I've seen and the reasons why I've invested into those things and also show you those returns that I was able to have. Because while people, claim that all of these positions that I'm investing into are not going to be worth anything, I want to make sure that they know and everybody else knows that they are going to be worth something. And I'm not just rubbing it in, I'm just giving you the information, letting you know that I did make something off of it because, I obviously invested into it for a reason. And these are positions that I believe in, not necessarily what you believe in, it's what I believe in. And nobody's going to talk me out of what I'm going to invest into. So let's talk about GME and we'll get into everything there is to know about what's going on with that. So, guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out some of the links that are down below, it does help out the channel. I have my Twitter, my Patreon, and you guys can start trading on Margex. That will be at the top of the description. They are a partner with the channel, and I get a little bit of a kickback. So if you go and click on the link, check it out, see if you like it. Leverage trading does have its risks to it, just like every other part of investing. It's just you want to make sure you understand it a little bit more. So if you want to understand it more, again, my Patreon has a bunch of different videos in the collections, as well as you guys can reach out to me directly and say, hey, I'm not really understanding Patreon or I'm not really understanding leverage trading. Could you, explain some things to me? I really need to know the basics. Feel free to reach out to me. I'm always open and, ready to teach somebody something. That's the goal here. But anyways, let's get into the detail of why we're in this video. GME absolutely exploded for the past couple of days. If you look at my portfolio, which is around 100 or 200,000 dollars, I got XRP, Chronos, Jasmine Coin, Vitalik Smart Gas, and then you see GameStop that is fifth on the list. At one point, it was actually third, and I think it was also second earlier today before I decided to maybe sell a little bit more. So with GameStop, I purchased 3 million. At first I purchased 1 million a while ago, and then it came down in price and people were like, "Yeah, this was a bust play." And I was like, "No, it wasn't. You got to see bad times before you see the good times." And as we saw those bad times, I was like, "This is an opportunity." So I averaged into it, adding, 2 million more, and I thought that was a great play there while others thought maybe it wasn't the best play. But then this happened where GameStop had a Roaring Kitty that came out and had a bunch of different tweets, and he started tweeting since I think it was from 2021. That was like since 2021, he just started tweeting and putting out different memes and videos and gifs and all these different things that basically mean that he's coming back. That there's a larger or a bigger picture here, and he sees all the information behind the scenes as well as in front of our faces. And that really brought attention to GameStop, picking that up. I believe it was like 100%, and now you're looking at another 100%. I think it's up like 60% at the moment. But you saw some movement. So GameStop was one of those, right? GameStop is this is the token that's supposed to be like associated with it in a way. And this is the reason why it drew me to it. I feel like whoever developed this and the website, the Twitter, the concept, how many tokens there are, everything about it, they understand cryptocurrency, they understand popularity a lot. But currently it sits at 1.2 cents. If you know anything about GameStop token, this was at 0.005, right? You're looking at 0.0005, like 3 zeros. You're looking at a way lower point of where it was at, or than where it is at. But it's at 1.2 cents right now. And it's my overall value or holdings is at $15,709. Now you can see the total profit and loss, which they don't really have, right? Is $24,584 right now. And this is, I guess, including realized gains as well as unrealized gains. However, the unrealized gains and realized gains, it should be a total of about 26 or 27,000 because I did end up pocketing about $12,000 and sending that over to Coinbase to go into my bank account so that we could do whatever we want with it, or take some of that money and maybe reinvest at a certain point. But I currently still have 1.25 million. After having 3 million, I have 1.25 million. I made $12,000 from this. And just to show you what I have left after sending 5,000 to my bank account, I kept 1,000 over in my Coinbase wallet. So I had a total of 11,000 there. But I sent 5,000 to my bank account. You have 6,000 that's still sitting here. I was able to easily make that money over the last 2 days. And what's great is I wake up, see the movement, I end up taking a little bit of profit, and now I made $3,000 for that day, $4,000 for that day, another $4,000 or $5,000 for that day. So this is the art of taking profit as time goes on. GME token, for anybody that's diamond handed over in the stock market, GME token could be your way of having more short-term gains as well as maybe having some long-term gains associated with it. So anyways, what really drew me to this position? What drew me to GameStop? Well, the first thing that drew me to GameStop, the token, is the fact that you see the connection with the community, right? Instantly, I saw millions of dollars that were going through in volume. I was like, you see the connection, you go into the website, and the website clearly has that connection. It's not just something that's like, oh, well, it's GME, and then here's the website, and it's like, get into the next meme coin. It's like, no, you talk about Wall Street can't stop us now. Continuing the mindset, not only seeing that, but seeing this, where it's like Wall Street can't do anything to, heavily short or attack this side of things. And we have the meme coin side, we have the popularity side to push this thing to the next level. And you could see that overall, what they're looking to do. And you're talking about, let's run it back, right? You're looking to gain this again. You're seeing the community continue to, drive and focus on the growth and how much people can make from these meme plays. Being a meme coin, but also having that connection to the community. That's something that drew me to this. And you could see that within the website that they've created here. And then also being on Solana, where it's cheaper to make these transactions and make these moves, whether you're doing it on, Coinbase wallet or Phantom wallet or whatever wallet you're doing it on, you can easily make those transactions. And it doesn't cost you a lot, and it's also super fast. I was able to swap and sell and throw it all over there in a matter of 2 minutes. That's how fast I was able to do it. And most of the lag time was on me, right? It was on me going from place to place and putting in the authentication numbers or whatever, putting in all of that stuff. That was me. And the rest of the time, which was probably like seconds, was Solana and working on that chain. So the point is that I saw potential. I saw the opportunity in everything that they offered, when it came to the volume, when it came to the website, when it came to the connection. Um, it just showed me so much. Um, and I'm not trying to rub it in at all and say that, hey, I was right, you were wrong, or anything there, depending on who you are, because obviously there are people that are just completely rude and saying that, people are clowns for investing into something and this is not investing. But if you're making money, if you're turning a small amount of money into a larger amount of money, that's investing, right? Yes, you want to invest long term. The definition of investing is not a long term, long-term investment into money, right? Or a long-term investment into some sort of project or some sort of thing, right? It's not you putting money somewhere for a long period of time. It's you putting money somewhere and letting it grow over time, which over time could mean a day, could mean an hour, could mean a week, it could mean a year. But the point is over time, you're letting it grow and turning to a large amount of money based on what you believed in that investment. And that's what I saw in GameStop. So let me know what you think about it. It has retraced a little bit. So from this 1.9 cent level, it has retraced a little bit down to the low of 1.1. And again, now I can sit on everything else that's there. $16,000 that's sitting here. And I can sit on everything that's there because I already made $12,000 off of a $1,000 investment. Well, round up 1,000. Well, not round up. I rounded down, but this is a 1,200 to 1,500 in between that range, investment. Like, that's insane to see that level of growth and know that that's realized while still having 16,000 left in there. That's crazy, right? So, anyways, I just wanted to talk about this and give you my not final thoughts on GME, but there's so much more. Every time GME runs, you're gonna see GameStop token that also runs because it has that connection to the community. So I'm excited for it, guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Let me know what you think about this play. Is it a legit play now, or do you think that it's kind of run its course and it had that play? And now we probably will see more of a downturn and we won't see anything crazy happen in the next couple of weeks or next month or anything like that. Let me know your opinion down below. But guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Check out my link for Margex in the description. I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.